we're going to practice the tongue cooler sound, and we're going to put it in some words. We're going to put it at the front of the word, okay? First, let's make sure we're making the right sound and practice it together, all by itself. Let's put our tongue in between our teeth like this, and then we blow some air across it. We don't have to blow hard. We don't need to make a lot of noise. Just a nice gentle breeze over the tongue. Okay, that's a tongue cooler sound. I'm going to come closer to the camera now, put my mouth closer to the camera so that you can watch my mouth and do that tongue cooler sound with me. One more time. Okay, now we're going to say some words that have that sound at the front of the word, okay? Here's one that has it at the front. It's thumb, thumb, thumb. Okay, so while you're practicing these words with the tongue cooler, I'll show you the picture of the word that we're saying, but I also want you to watch my mouth. Make sure that you're following what I'm doing and copying how I do it. I'm going to put my mouth close to the camera now while we do these, and we'll do each one 3 times. We'll start it over as if we're starting from the beginning with thumb. All right, here we go. Thumb, thumb, thumb. Third, third, third. Thorn, thorn, thorn. Thief, thief, thief. Now, this is a tricky word, thief, because it starts with the tongue cooler sound, but it ends with a lip cooler sound. I sometimes call that the angry cat sound. Sounds like a cat hissing at you. Meow. Okay, but we want to make sure that we're using the tongue cooler sound. Thief. We're using the tongue cooler sound at the beginning and the lip cooler sound at the end. So we're going thief, thief, thief. Okay, that's a tricky one. That's hard for a lot of us. All right, let's do some more. Thimble, thimble, thimble. Thermos, thermos, thermos. Thirteen, thirteen, thirteen. All right. Here's a number, another number. 30, 30, 30. And here's Here's another number. 1,000. 1,000. 1,000. Right, here's another one. Thunder. 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 All right, here's our last one. This is a long one. Thermometer. Thermometer. So that's 4 syllables long. It's a long one. It has the word mom in it. So make sure you're saying mom in the middle. Thermometer. 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 Okay. Now, you might want to find some words that start with that tongue cooler sound. There are a lot more that we didn't do. So see if you and your parents can round some up and practice them. Okay? Or you can go back and watch the video again and practice with me. Okay? Talk to you later.